Here's Cocobowlco, 4 natural cocoa bowls with 4 wooden spoons. Okay, so when you open it, they come all wrapped in this paper. The spoons come wrapped in this. So I'm going to show you it unwrapped. I unwrapped one of them, and it's a coconut. It's super, super cute. Feels pretty sturdy, but I'll probably be careful with it still. On the inside, smooth. You could probably use it for like everyday stuff. But I'm sure I will probably use it for serving. Like, I like to host, and so putting little things to serve in would be really, really precious. And then these wooden spoons are super nice. They feel really good. They're really pretty. I like these a lot. I wish I could like get a whole set of them. I like them a lot. On the side, it says the care, so it gives you the do's and don'ts of how to take care of these bowls, because they're just a little more delicate. I hope this helps you on your shopping journey.